Hey Mustangs, this is Miss Cradaville, and I'm going to teach you all about homeroom today and get you all set up for the rest of the year. So if you've been at CAP for at least a year, you know that we used to have flex time. Now it is called homeroom, and we're going to learn today what homeroom is, what you're expected to do during that time, how to make appointments, which are going to be required to leave your homeroom class this year, and what you do if you don't have an appointment. So homeroom is a 49-minute period that's built into the schedule 2 days a week. So you'll see on the Wednesday and Friday even days, whenever we have a 2-4-6 day, you will have this time that you will check in with your homeroom teacher. In the past, you had the freedom to just drop in and check in with any teacher on your schedule. But this year, all students starting next week are going to check in with their assigned homeroom teacher. You'll know before next Wednesday who your assigned homeroom teacher is, and you will go to them at the beginning of every homeroom. This time really should be for you to be productive and do whatever you need to do in order to have a better school and life balance. If you are spending tons of time at home doing homework, it's going to be helpful to get some of that done during the school day. This is your time to also go see teachers for extra help, to make up tests or quizzes, get caught up if you're ever absent, if you're leaving early for sports. It's a great idea to use homeroom as a check-in time to go and get that support that you need. With that being said, you're going to need 3 things for homeroom. Number 1, you're going to need your student ID card, just like you've had for the past few weeks, to scan in for attendance. Makes it a little quicker and easier for your teachers to scan you in than typing in your ID number. So try to have it with you at all times. If you don't have your card with you, we can always check you in using your student ID number or even your name, but please have your ID cards with you. Second thing you're going to need is a plan. You're going to want to think ahead of time. What is going to help you the most academically and emotionally? Where do you need to be? What do you need to get done? If you need to go see a teacher to get information or, make something up, you're going to have an appointment ahead of time. If you don't have an appointment, your homeroom teacher is not going to release you to go and get that support. But homeroom is built for you to go and get support as needed. So think ahead, make appointments in advance. Each week when you're in homeroom, you can use that time to start making appointments for the following week and plan where you need to go. The third thing you're going to need for homeroom is something productive to do. So if you don't have any homework, if you don't have a teacher to go and see that day, what else can you do? Can you organize your binder? Can you be making a to-do list for later? Can you clean out your backpack? Do you need to just close your eyes and put your head down for a few minutes? Take a moment to really think about what's going to further you as a learner that day and use your time wisely. All right, now that we know that you are staying in your homeroom with your assigned homeroom teacher, unless you have an appointment, let's learn how to make appointments. When you first log in to TeachMore, your screen will look like this. And to make an appointment, you'll click on either the blue button that says appointments, or you can click on appointments on the top. Either one will get you to the same place. Click on a day to make an appointment. So I'm going to scroll ahead to September 20th. When you select an event, you'll choose homeroom. Select one of your teachers from your current class schedule. And then in the comment section, you'll let them know what you are coming in to work on or do. Create appointment. Now I can scroll to that month and I can see my appointment went through. It's blue because it is a student-created appointment. If you see green appointments, those are ones that your teachers have made for you. The black ones are times that you were already checked in and are in the past. To delete an appointment that was previously made or make a change, you can click on the box and click on delete appointment. Okay, it's just going to ask you to confirm. And now you can go back in and make a different appointment with someone else or for a different day. And on the homepage, before you make any appointments, you'll want to decide if you want an email notification or not when you make appointments for yourself. Alrighty, team. This Friday, we do not have homeroom. We have a minimum day. So our first homeroom with your assigned homeroom teacher is actually next Wednesday, September 13th. You'll find out before then where you're supposed to go. So just be on the lookout for that information.